Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential tips to help you protect your furniture and furnishings during the harsh monsoon season. So, if you want to keep your home looking its best, stick around for some valuable advice. Despite its cost, wooden furniture stands out for its class and durability, adding elegance and reflecting noble taste, especially when cared for during the monsoon. Seal the cracks, joints, and corners of the wooden furniture, if any, with the best coatings and sealants. Use camphor tablets, naphthalene balls, neem leaves, and cloves to absorb moisture and repel pests effectively. Move wooden furniture 6 inches from walls during monsoons to prevent moisture damage and allow walls to breathe. Open doors, breathe fresh, banish stink with sunshine's kiss. Dust with a dry touch, keep wood happy, banish wet cloth's nasty clutch. Rainy day creaks, pre-monsoon oiling keeps doors and furniture speaking easy. Hold off on wooden buys, wait for sunshine to dry skies. Skip the monsoon makeover, rain calls for roof checks, not redecorating. Monsoon move, pack tight, or wait for sunshine's light. Varnish before the rain, shield your wood, beauty shines with no stain. Absolutely, cane furniture is a monsoon must-have. It is naturally water-resistant and endures humidity well, making it a low-maintenance choice for the rainy season. Ditch the furniture drying rack. Monsoon moisture plus a wood summer big mistake. Use a clothesline instead, keep your furniture looking splendid. Monsoon blues got you down? Don't let humidity rain on your parade. Here are some tips to keep your home furnishings happy all season long. Spruce up your space with planned furnishing. Shop smart, not scattered, for a glamorous home. Ditch the dark drapes. Monsoon calls for breezy, light curtains that dry fast and keep the room bright. Swap heavy sheets for light, cotton ones that dry fast and keep mold at bay. Opt for light, cotton furniture upholstery that dries fast and keeps you comfy. Roll away carpets. They trap moisture and drying is a hassle. Opt for easy clean floors for the season's hassle. In monsoons, opt for polyester. They dry faster, vacuum easier, but remember, moisture can still trap under the carpet and cause mold. Don't let bugs in. Clean those window nets for clear views and fresh air. Forget the monsoon mustiness. Grab a humidifier for fresher air, happy lungs, and furniture that thanks you. In summary, caring for your furniture and furnishings during the monsoon is essential for their upkeep. By following the tips we shared today, you can protect your items from damage and ensure they look their best for years to come. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way.